Hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls. Welcome. Welcome back with the second second puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, May the 4th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. And it's time for the binary puzzle. Number 4503. Yes, 4503. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Then let me think. Between two O's comes an 1. We have here, let me think. Interesting. Well, I know between a 1 and an O, there's with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double one. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. Then. Do we need to compare? Well. 10, 10, 10, 10. Well, this row and that row. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. Then this column or that column. Double 1. How about here? 101. No, cannot compare the columns. So we need to compare the rows then. 01, 01. 01, 01. Or 10, 10. We have a 10, 10 here, 10, 10. 10, 10. Yeah. This row and the last row. 0011 empty box. 0011 0011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Alright, finished in 5 minutes. With a lot of comparing, but we've managed to solve this again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.